Yep. They banned fireworks July 2011 because it was too dry. And it's summertime here in Houston, or just north of Houston, and we are experiencing the worst drought in the history of our state. But they predicted this rain, and yet the county judges saw fit to cancel the season. They didn't think it was safe enough. Looks pretty dry, doesn't it? Yeah. I'd be afraid of a grass fire right now. I tell you what, I'm not sure if anyone's seeing my face, but I can't tell you how upset and disappointed I am in our county officials. And they're not getting my vote. And I'm going to work real hard to try and get other people to vote against them too. County Judge Sadler, Montgomery County Judge Alan Sadler did this. But on a brighter side, look at my kids. Hey, everybody wave at the camera. Y'all are silly. All right, that's good.